Now for Potentially Yours, every Tuesday we try and give pets at the Dane County Humane Society a new place to call home. Could be your home. Gail Viney joins us now with two little rats.
You know, critters need love too. Yeah. And I thought, what better day to show off my two buddies here, Luigi and Ziggy. And they are rat brothers. We think they're about 7 months old, and they were surrendered to the shelter. The family was moving to Texas and not able to keep them, but just said they're the nicest rats. And you know, sometimes people don't really think of rats as pets, and so it's nice to be able to talk about them and really show that they are social, outgoing little critters that are really actually good pets for maybe starters, for like kids if you're wanting to learn responsibility. I even got some treats. We'll see if they want to eat.
And you yourself used to have some rats.
I did actually, and they were wonderful little pets. I had two little girls named Greta and Sophie. Oh, he said thank you very much. Let's turn you around so you can eat. And they were really nice little pets, and they were just fun to have and just neat little critters.
And I think they made it on a News 3 this morning.
They were quite famous. They've been in calendars, they've been on TV, and they live about 2.5 years, so it's not as long of a life expectancy as like a dog or a cat, but really they're fun little critters. And you know, sometimes their tail is what can make people a little intimidated and
squeamish.
Their tails are so important. It helps them regulate their temperature. It also helps them provide stability, and so they really do serve a purpose, and you honestly do get used to them once you start interacting with them and spending time with them. They're just a fun little critter.
And they love salad.
And they are loving their
vegetarians.
salad this morning. They only need little pellets, and they love fruit, and they love lettuce and carrots, and they're enjoying their little brunch this morning.
All right, so talk about last week's pet while we watch.
Handsome cat named Gus, and Gus is still available for adoption. He's at our West Side location. Remember, we have that West Side Center over by Pedro's. Go and give Gus a chance.
And you have a great new partnership going on here.
Yes, the Great Dane Pub and Brewing Company is they've been so supportive with the Great Danes that we took in, and they gave us money right off the bat, and they also are having 3 days this month where if you go to any of their 4 locations, they are giving 20% of the proceeds from that day to DCHS to help us care for the Great Danes that are currently in our care. And Ziggy is munching down, but thank you, Great Dane, for being so supportive, and please go there tonight and the next 2 days, next 2 Tuesdays.
All right.
Okay.
All right, good luck, Ziggy and Luigi.
Thanks, Gail.
Thank you, guys.
If you're interested in adopting or checking out other animals at the Dane County Humane Society, go to giveshelter.org or set up an appointment at 838-0413.
As we head to a break, here are 2 animals available at the Greene County Humane Society.